Here's a 2018 Lexus IS. For those who refuse to follow, choose your fast lane and feel the visceral connection between you and the road at the head of the pack. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: smart device navigation, dual zone climate control, doors and push-button start proximity key, power sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, front heated bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com notes the back seat merits special praise for its adult-friendly dimensions. Inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. That is the DNA of a Lexus. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
At Lexus of Maplewood, we're all about your complete satisfaction. Stop in today for a stress-free experience.